間、千曲です。降り口は左側です。お降りの際はドア横の開けるのボタンを押してください。The next stop is Chikuma. The doors on the left side will open. Please press the open button to open the door as you leave the train.
So, can we go out now?
Oops. No. Oh, that one. This one, how to close, and then this one. Mhm. Hello, good morning. Pang third day namin dito sa Nagano, sa province ng Nagano. They call it Nagano Prefecture. Tapos ngayon nandito kami sa Ueda. We took a train from Nagano City to here, like an hour train ride. Then, bakit kami nandito? Wala, may bibisitahin lang kaming castles, ruined castles. Bakit laging, yung mga castles dito is hindi na raw well maintained. Kasi sira na talaga siya dati pa lang. Kasi, ito talaga lagi yung mga nagigera na place nila. So, yung mga castles nila is na-atake daw talaga. So, you wanna visit at least one. Yun. Maglalakad kami. Dito na rin lang kami magla-lunch siguro. Then we'll be back later for Inagano. Doon kami magkahanap ni Herm, magkakain kami sa mga lumang restaurants. Maglalakad kami. I wanna show you guys around. Look at their houses. Ayun na yung tatlo. Sakit mata ko, wala akong dalang shades. Temperature check, 2 degree today. It was very cold the other day and kahapon. Pero ngayon, mas okay siya kasi may konting araw. Ayun. Yung garden talaga ng Japanese style garden is super classic. Sobrang well-maintained ng pagkaka-cut. This is may parang old house. Actually, it's an old house. I don't know if it's abandoned house. Marami silang abandoned house dito sa Japan. Pero siguro hindi naman sa place na ganito. Doon sa mas mga secluded area nila. Observation about this town, parang mas konti yung tao sa Nagano. Kasi baka mas maliit to. City kasi yung pinagstayhan natin, yung home base natin dito sa Nagano is a city, which is Nagano City. This is Ueda. Mas konti yung tao. Super clean lang talaga ng Japan. Maghahanap muna pala tayo na restaurants per Zoe. Kasi,
And
ramen.
Lilo.
There's a ramen place. Kasi medyo,
Hungry.
yung anak ko, pag sira na yung mood, pati kami masisira yung mood. So, pakainin ko muna. Medyo maarte kasi si Zoe. Ay, no, she's not. She's just hungry. How about this one? She's always angry, not hungry. And she's always hungry. Ay, gusto ko tong bahay na to.
I
So, old, old place here. Nice. Ayan, o. Ganda. Wait lang. Kunin ko lang isang camera ko. Picture ko lang. Ayun, naglalakad pa rin kami. Mag-update ako later kapag nandun na kami sa restaurant. Hanapin lang namin. Ay! Kailangan ko mag-pictures ng... Naririnig niyo ba yung sounds? Yun yung sounds ng mga kapag go na sila for blinds para malaman nila. Dito. Narinig niyo? Hindi. So, late cynics yung videographer ko. Yun lang. Ayan, finally, parang nandito na tayo sa restaurants. Tara, wait, there's a car. That's fixed. Yeah. Tara yung ramen place. Try natin. The nice kaayo. Oh, there's a line. Nakita kami cinema roll sa loob ng sasakyan. Favorite
cinema
nila.
roll.
Are you happy?
I think it's all cinema roll.
Yeah.
Wait, is it all cinema roll, Daddy?
Uh-huh.
You wear it.
No. Wait.
Yeah.
That's all cinema roll. I love you.
Our ramen place again. Everyday noodles. Later, I will try the cold soba ulit. Sarap. And then, ano pa ba? Anong itatry natin mamaya sa City Herb? Ay, sa Naga. Ay, sa...
I got the scarf.
The breads?
Parang bread na.
And then,
Traditional bread nila.
hanap tayo ng beef. May horse meat kapon. Pero parang hindi ko feel kumain ng horse meat. Pero parang gusto ko rin itry, no?
No, give me water. I'm gonna eat
Kahit konti lang.
or bite you. Or eat you. Ah, that's water. I did.
Sarap ng weather. Pag may araw, masarap. Kahit malamig, okay lang kasi may araw. Pero pag walang araw, kapag gloomy, sobrang sakit sa kamay.
No.
Pila
He
lang
was gonna
tayo.
kick me. She didn't give me water. She could
Tell
just
to
take
give
the
you water.
from I don't know how to feed her water. Baka mamaya puno. Hey, Lilo! It's gonna be dirty.
Okay.
お願いいたします。お待たせしました。いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。
Sure.
Sarap sa loob. Warm. Sobrang lamig sa loob.
Okay, paano ba to?
Nagmo-moist yung lens ng camera. Wait lang, tanggalin natin. Ayan. Clear.
Hindi ko alam ba na orderin natin yung ito doon. Tapos is Chinese nila. Suke soba. Order na lang tayo ng tatlo. Dalawa. Ito. Ano na lang?
Noodles, boiled egg, char siu. Char siu?
Chinese noodles mo.
Chinese noodles, okay.
Ito na. Chinese noodles, char siu. Tapos suke soba.
Okay. What is sugar soba? Oh, they will pass by. I think you guys can sit there. You guys can sit there. Sit there with Aa first. You wait for here. Let's go. This is what's inside. Merong kainan malapit doon sa castle. Nag-order
Gusto mong
ka
Coke?
na ba? Yep. Nag-order ka na. Okay na yun.
Okay na.
We're gonna sit here. The two here. Oh, we are 5. 1, 2. Yeah, it's fine. I think they're done. Sorry? Mahirap dito, hindi talaga sila nag-i-English compared doon sa Nagano dito, parang mahirap sila. Yeah, maybe they're done. You think they're done? Yeah. Okay, nandito na yung ramen namin. That's a lot of charge. Ang dami yung pork. Pork lang pala siya. Ayun na yun. RC Mix meron.
Meron pa.
Kala ko walang in-order sa'yo. Kuha tayo na. Chopsticks and then sides. Chile powder. Oil? Not oil. Ah, okay. Mas masarap na naman pag medyo oil. This is pepper, I think. Hindi ko mabasa ulit. Pepper din ba ito? Hindi ko din ano. Extra noodles. Oh, soba. Okay. Oh, this is soba. Is that yours? Palit na lang tayo.
Okay. Palit na lang tayo.
Lagay mo mo yan. Paayos eh.
Ito kay Nix, okay na sa'yo ito, Nix?
Yeah. Pero pa yung soup.
Ito, sarap po.
Iba pala yung sa akin. Nakihingi ako ng soup kay Nix. Wow. Tastes super good. Can I have your jars?
Right spoon for the super so easy.
Yeah, excuse me, Zoe.
I can do it.
Kaya din natin yung chars. Ni Nix, nanghingi ako ulit. Kala ko kasi yung in-order sa akin may soup. Soba mamaya sa Nagano. Soba sa Nagano. Yeah.
Half na lang tayo.
Palit-palit tayo. Palit mo na lang. Try ko lang. Try natin yung soba. Pwede kang picture mo? Tanggalin mo. Tanggalin yung kami. Cold soba. You want water? At palagay naman si Lilo ng water. Bigat ng
I'm sorry, just put it down. Put it down.
Try natin yung ramen ni Kurt. Kasi pagpalit ako ng ramen. Nag-decide kasi siya para sa buhay ko today. Soup is really good. Yeah. Buat natin si Lito. Bukod ng isa. Painig sa isa. So, we bigyan mo. Konti. Pepper.
Can you start my office?
Ano daw? So, baka sobra sa yung noodles. Kaya gilap ano. We'll get noodles.
I don't like now. I don't like now.
Why?
I don't like now.
Why?
I'm full.
Okay.
You want rice? Nilo? You want rice?
Sarap ng soup. Sarap ng soup nila.
It was sweet.
And then,
Okay siya.
yung soba nila, yung noodles nila, masarap din. Yung full soba, sarap din. Pati yung deep. And then, yun, lakad tayo ulit. Punta tayo sa next destination. Where is the next destination? The Castle Ruin.
Castle Ruin.
Siya mall. Ito pala yung City Hall nila. City Hall ng Ueda.
She has a love that. It's really easy to make.
Malapit na tayo. Nandito na raw yung Castle Ruins. Sa may corner, kung nakikita niyo yung ambulance, nandun lang siya banda.
You just have, it's like that. It's like that. You have a...
Lamig. Gusto ko na ulit ng kape.
bunny.
Lamig, gusto ko na ulit ng kape.
Oh! Doon na.
Pero iced coffee pa din yung gusto ko kahit malamig. Ang hilig ko na sa iced coffee. Ka-infection ako dahil sa caramel macchiato. So, bumili na ako ng mga syrups, ng sariling syrups ko, ng mga caramel, yung pang toppings. Tapos yun, parang this month dalawang antibiotics na, dalawang round ng antibiotics na. At yun pa yung masama, nakalimutan ko na, hindi, nasa bag ko yung antibiotics ko. Inumin ko later. Wait lang, inom lang ako. Ayan, nandito na kami sa Castle Ruins. Ito yung walls nila. Kung hindi ako, if I am not mistaken, this is the main entrance. So, Castle Central, Municipal Museum. Ito, meron naman silang mga signage. Ayan, ang ganda naman dito. Ang gaganda ng puno nila. Nakakalbo na lahat. Wait lang. Pipicturean ko lang yung mga puno.
Ayan. So now we're walking through Ueda Castle Ruins. Oh, there's the side entrance of Ueda Castle. Wow, ang ganda ng area na to. It's like mountains and stuff. And I think is that the moat? Probably it's a moat. So dalawa yung moat ng Ueda Castle. there was a moat in the front by the road, and then I think there's another moat here. Activity for kids. Samurai. Wow, look at the entrance. Wow. It's gorgeous. What can you say, Samurai Zoe?
Nothing. Nothing.
How about you? Samurai Gino?
Where I'm like a video where no.
You're fake. You're fake. What are you wearing? You too.
Better get out.
Okay, okay. Okay. So entrance of Ueda Castle. Wow, look at these walls. Sobrang tagal na nito. And that's the end of the moat area. I think the castle walls are exposed dun sa likod.
Okay.
So, wow. Wood. It's wood and tile. Wow. Grabe ah. Oh my gosh. Sobrang lumang wood. Metal. Look at that. Ganda. Oh, grabe yung trees na kinuha dito. Halos walang crack. Ano to? Restored na ba to? Maybe restored na to, no? I guess. It's inside the castle proper. I think this is a shrine. It's not. Huh?
Can we get one of those and pray?
Let's look. Let's look inside. How about we look inside here? Wow, look at this. Wow. What's
Can I
this?
move this thing? I think this is for
What is that?
I want this thing. This is cute.
Wow. Oh, I mean, it's hitting me. Is it nice here? It's making a sound every time it hits each other, right? So imagine if there's like strong winds. It's gonna make a really nice sound of wood hitting each other. Wow, look at this.
You can make your own wishes here.
I think so. Oh, that's a samurai.
So
On one of
faint.
the walls.
It looks so faint.
I think this will have a whoa.
It looks faint. Right?
Nice view of Ueda.
It looks like faint, right? It looks so faint.
Yeah.
Is it faint?
Whoa.
Can we go inside?
No, we cannot. This is one of the walls of the castle. See, how are you going to penetrate this castle before? Imagine if you're an archer and then there's like people trying to get there. You can just shoot them, right? You can't catch arrows from there. Very nice grounds. Ooh, check out that car.
Is that a camp? Is that a camping thing?
So, ito na nga, we're back in Nagano. Pero syempre, yung may dala ng GoPro. Kanina, nag-walking tour ko, nagdala lang yung phone ko. Nandito kami sa ano nga to, Herf?
Mahaba yung pangalan.
Oh, yeah. Later. So, it's like a bread shop. Ito yung mga options nila. Sayang di namin inabutan kung paano siya ginigrill eh. And then, binigyan kami ng soba ocha. Bango sobra. Lamig kasi sa labas kaya sobrang sarap. Ang sarap ng amoy.
Oyaki. Oyaki ne, oyaki.
That's the name of the bread.
Oyaki is the bread.
Oh, oyaki is the bread.
Oyaki.
Oh,
Okay. Tapos pwede siya i-bake first.
そう、ベイクドおやき。
This is
これがスティームおやき。これスティー
Bake
ム。
here?
うん
here?
あ、奥でね。奥、いろり。
in the
Okay.
kitchen? Okay.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's what we heard. The apples and this one. So people buy it from here? Okay, wow. What's your favorite? What's your favorite flavor? The sweet one? Or
My favorite is,
The mushroom?
yeah.
Oh, wow. I got that
You
one.
got one.
Yeah.
yummy.
It's
Very
super
yummy.
good.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Arigato gozaimasu.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Sorry.
Where we can put this? Thank you so much.
はい。ありがとうございます。はい、さよな
Smells
ら。
really good. Bye. See you again.
ありがとう。
Bye so much.
Thank you.
Sige,
Bye-bye.
bye. Upo rin lang.
寒いから。
It's chilling outside. Bye-bye. So, ito yung shop. Okay, tapos ngayon, gusto kong pumunta sa
Alam mo,
Ice cream.
Starbucks na lang tayo.
ice cream.
Ice cream ba tayo?
Ice cream, matcha
Green tea?
ice cream. Ay, sarado na yung coffee shop na gusto ko.
Saan yung Yung sa dulo?
Oo. Iglo-iglo.
Ito yung mga restaurant. Tapos dito tayo.
Para siya, actually, it's a restaurant
Ay, oh.
complex. So, ito yung mga shops nila. Parang isang buong block ginawa nilang panay shops. Let's go to the coffee shop. 5:04 pa lang, 9 p.m. na. Nag-sunset at 4:20 p.m. Ang gaganda ng mga Fujiya. Hotel Fujiya. Ay, sa unahan pa. Diyan, kasunod. Hi! We're heading up there.
Yes, very famous.
This is the Sengoji Temple. Ka-classic ng gate nila. Super nice. Locals na umakyat. So maybe, restaurant. Oh, wow. This is nice. Look at that.
Ito, parang 1,400 years old na to. So, not sure exact yung nila.
This is the Starbucks pero made of wood. Tapos sa taas, sobrang ganda upuan. Dito kami last.
Sa mga model shop naman siya.
Maganda yung pagtatago. Ayan.
Model with the...
Ganon. Ito parang souvenir nila. Medyo pieces.
yeah.
Mga chopsticks. Bowls. This is the coffee shop. Ay, where?
Pero doon.
Check ko nga ito. Wait lang. Go get my matcha. Or I'll go. Sige, let's go there. And then coffee. We'll get
Hello?
Starbucks na lang. Let's get in.
Yeah, too.
Yes.
Hi.
Yes.
One floor 여기.
It's okay.
Hello.
Just this one.
Ito yung mga coffee nila. Matcha or roasted green latte. 700 yen. So it's like 380? Something like that. 5:30 lang yung shops nila. Let's sit here. Sarap sa loob. Ang lamig. Lang kami ni Herb ng isang ice cream. Tayo natin yung camera. Tayo natin yung camera para matry natin siya. Stand ko lang. Try natin. It's matcha. Talaga ng matcha nila. It's Starbucks lang. Rice ball, parang bilo-bilo sa atin siguro. Hindi no, bilo-bilo sa atin. Sarap to. I know it's cold. So ka. Beans. Sweet beans. Sarap ng Turn yun. Aircon pala. Bigla naging libre ko. Yung pagkain ko lang yung babayaran ko, tapos sa'yo na yung sa'yo. Ito, 3-2.
1, 2,
Okay, sige. Okay lang, go. Per half lang tayo kasi busog pa ako. You have to order one by one. May kinainan tayo last dessert place. Ito, deep fried prawns and yan. 6-line loin pork. Ito yung gusto ko. Ito. Maybe dito na yung order ko. This is, looks good. Sarap.
So yung
This is in the
basta. Tatry. Tatry nga.
Sabi, kaya pala gusto ko bumalik dito, naramdaman ko. Sobrang off ko na yung camera. Kain na ako. Lilo! Are you tired today?
Yeah.
Nakakapagod, pero okay lang. Parang masaya naman yung trip namin. Diba? We went to Ueda? Ueda, okay. Parang, I'm not sure. Oh, saglit lang. Umalis kami dito ng 10:30. Umabot kami doon parang 1 hour.
Chicken.
1 hour.
Shrimp.
Via train.
Why is it? Sorry.
Tapos nag-lunch lang
You guys
kami.
can have
Tapos
that.
pumunta
You guys
sa
can have
castle. Tapos bumalik na hindi na kami dumaan ng Karuizawa. Kasi late na kami nag-start.
Na lang. The shrimp. And then this is
Can I
salmon.
have a bit
Maaga pa kasi
more
dumilim
food?
dito.
Wait,
Magdi-dinner
this
na
is
sila.
cola.
Kami ni Herb nag-dinner na kami sa labas. You guys call Aa.
Can you call Zoe, please? Zoe.
I think he got this.
We'll update you guys again tomorrow. Actually, this is our last night here in Nagano. Bukas pabalik na kami ng Tokyo. We're sad. I am sad. I don't know sila. Pero
I'm
ako
not
gusto ko.
sad. I almost got frostbite.
Bukas, didiretso sila ng Disneyland. So, try namin.
No.
Ayaw nila, pero bumili na rin kami ni Herb ng tickets for it. Tapos, tingnan natin kung makaka-rides kami. Ayoko talaga ng pumipila. Pero, di ba? Might as well, try na din natin kahit isa lang. Pa-experience lang nila. Tapos, yun lang. We'll update you guys again bukas. And then, yep. Bye! Bye, Herb. Magulo yung kwarto.